Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hasif bin Malik. My project is about consequences modeling using process hazard analysis software tool or FAST in short for UPM laboratory explosion. On March 2nd, an explosion occurred in UPM laboratory while two students were conducting an extraction process. The chemical used overexpand in the reactor and caused an explosion. The issue that led to the explosion were both students didn't follow standard operating procedure. They were not clear of what was the outcome of the process conducted. No proper guide regarding hazardous material involved. This situation make it difficult to manage or reduce the consequences effectively. Safety measures were also neglected. The objective of this project is to use FAST to get the extent of the explosion in order to see what can be done to manage or reduce consequences. A clear illustration of the outcome will enable a more effective response. Recommendation can also be contributed to UPM in order to improve safety in laboratories. Previous research has suggested a comprehensive guidance to determine the most effective way to deal with hazards in laboratories. It is important to recognize potential hazardous consequences. Before beginning a laboratory process, a review of planned procedure is needed. Careful planning and analysis is crucial to mitigate risk. This project will involve three major steps. Step 1 is to collect information. This is through interview with laboratory officers and lecturers involved in the explosion case. Information will focus on data that is needed for FAST simulation. Step 2 is to put all required data into FAST software. Step 3, result from FAST will be analyzed. Information of the reactor has been obtained. Salt bath consists of an isolated chamber, an inner salt bath, a heater, a temperature sensor, a mixer, a steering motor, an operating panel, and a reactor holder. Other information about the reactor salt bath also include salt bath specification, reactor tube specification. All information are as attached. User-defined data are information installed in FAST software. The parameters are operating temperature 300 degrees Celsius, operating pressure 0.7 bar, composition acetone 60%, methanol 40%, scenario type catastrophic rupture, phase to be released, vapor, explosion calculation, TNT method. Two types of discharge data for weather, which is wind speed 2 meter per second and wind speed 5 meter per second. Pascal stability represent the surrounding wind speed during explosion. Consequence result shows the distance to concentration, fireball hazard, radiation effect for both fireball ellipse and fireball distance, flash fire envelope, and explosion effect. This explosion contour explains a 2D explosion result. It is in circle shape because of the reading produced by FAST are in diameter. The most inner contour represents the most strong explosion, which can cause immediate fatality if being in that zone. My next plan for this project is to analyze and study all results produced by FAST. I will also do manual calculation for TNT method so that I can compare the result with FAST result. Later, I will relate result by FAST with laboratory safety for further study and recommendation to complete this project.